Alright guys, welcome to Sellers Creek. Today what we're doing, these guys will shut up long enough for me to talk. Got a couple steers in here we're trying to keep separate from the cows. And I bought these feeder panels. They're 10 foot. I've got a 16-foot gate in here right now. So I need to put that post about in line with that other post here in a cow barn. So somewhere around there. So what we're gonna do is use a new toy. Two new toys actually, new to me. That's the little gehl skid steer. Bought last week. And then this is a Worksaver hydraulic post pullet auger. I had 3.1.